Hey everybody, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Just a quick update on the weather out there. There's not a lot going on, but there's one storm in Rock Hill in really eastern York County I've been keeping an eye on. This is First Warn Doppler radar. This is the terminal Doppler radar at the airport, high resolution C-band radar, and this little cell that just moved over Rock Hill, it's heading towards Fort Mill and Tega Cay. It showed some subtle signs of rotation. Nothing to really worry about right now, but something I definitely would keep an eye on. On the right, you see the normal reflectivity that we show you all the time. This essentially is showing basically a big cluster of heavy rain just on the north side of Rock Hill moving towards Tega Cay. You can almost see like a kidney bean shape to this storm. That's something I always like to keep an eye on with these cells. When they kind of get that shape, that means there's some subtle rotation on the reflectivity. But what caught my eye earlier was in here, there was some brighter greens, which are winds going like this. And you see this little gray area. There's a little bit of red in there. Very broad rotation associated with that storm, and sometimes that's mid-level circulation in the storm. Certainly means it's a possibly strong or severe thunderstorm, but you watch those closely because that's how tornado genesis can begin. Right now it doesn't look like it's doing that. It's not a very tall storm. There's actually, let me look, there's no lightning in this cell, but it is moving north at about, I'd say, 25 to 30 miles an hour, so it's going to move up into southern Mecklenburg County here shortly and produce some very heavy rain. I'll keep an eye on it through the rest of the evening, but just a heads up, if you live in West Charlotte, Steel Creek, Pineville, Fort Mill, the Lake Wylie area, I'll be watching the storm up into southwest Charlotte, West Charlotte, and eventually the Gaston County line. Of course, stay up to date on the weather on our website, WCNC.com. Make sure you grab our weather app. If you don't have that, that's a good tool to have as well. And make sure you follow me on Twitter, wxbrad, and on Facebook, facebook.com/Brad Panovich.